about obesity and nutrition and why it's very important. Obesity is a worldwide problem, a global burden of diseases, and we're going to face it through changes in lifestyle. If you're going to a dietitian or nutritionist, there's a higher chance that you will be asked to reduce your energy intakes. In this context, we call it low-calorie diet. And why low-calorie diet is very important in our health as well as improving our body weight has been known for decades. Low-calorie diet is a basic or standard procedure to lower our body weight. The concept was to reduce the energy that we ate or we got from our foods and drinks and to increase our energy expenditure. Energy deficit in this context by reducing calorie that we ate or increasing the calorie or energy that we use, we're going to use the fat that is stored in our body. The fat itself is a storage of energy. When we eat too much, energy is stored in our fat cells, or in physiology we call it adipose tissues. Adipose tissue is how our bodies store fat, and when the fat is stored, we can use it when we need it. The energy expenditure works with how we're going to use our energy in our daily life. We use energy to breathe, to talk, to walk, and to do a lot of physical activity. Energy is also necessary to keep us alive. Our brain, our kidney, our liver, pancreas, all the organs, all the cells in our body uses energy. Therefore, energy is very important. However, when people eat too much, they're increasing amount of energy not being used than stored in the fat cells. Therefore, when somebody trying to lose weight, basically they try to get rid of the fat by reducing energy that they eat or they consumed and or increasing the energy that they used. This method is called energy deficit. This can be achieved by reducing the food and beverage that we get, which contains energy, of course, such as rice or bread or all the meals that contains energy, as well as drinks that contain energy. What drinks that contain energy, in exception of water? When we drink tea with sugar, the sugar contains energy. So when we try to lose weight, we're reducing the amount of energy that we intake by reducing those contents or those foods and or beverages. We also tend to increase our physical activity because physical activity is using energy. When we walk, when we using bicycle or when we run, our body uses energy. And the amount of energy being used, if that level is higher than those we eat or consume, then we're going to use fat in our body to release more energy. And then the more fat that we use to release more energy, the less fat that we have because the size will eventually reduce. And therefore, we're going to achieve weight loss. That's the energetic concept of human body, in which usually the concept is being used to improve our life, to reduce body fat by reducing energy intake and increasing energy expenditure. This is how low-calorie diet works. And this is very important because this is still the king. Reducing calorie in the context of weight loss is still kings, meaning that you can do a lot of diets, keto, intermittent fasting, paleo, a lot of diets working towards the energy deficit, in which the end goal of those diets is to reduce the amount of calorie. So you can pick which diet if you find it comfortable, as long as it has less calorie than we need. Thank you for watching the video until the end. If you are still interested to understand more about energy, appetite regulation in the context of weight loss program, please click the link at description. We have classes at Udemy for free just for you. See you!